Unit 1, Lesson 2, Concepts of Physical Fitness and its Related Terms. Learning Outcomes. At the end of the lesson, you're expected to define physical fitness and fitness, describe a physically fit person, discuss the benefits of physical fitness, explain the categories of physical fitness and its components, review the learning activity on personal fitness, and organize the learning activity on benefits of physical fitness. Introduction. College students face several obstacles in maintaining their physical well-being, including a lack of motivation, time constraints resulting from their coursework, and limited access to suitable facilities. This section examines the benefits of physical fitness, emphasizing daily activities that improve strength, endurance, relieve stress, and help reduce sedentary lifestyle. The idea of fitness increases abilities, motivates personal objectives, and enables people to enjoy life. Furthermore, it outlines the traits of a physically fit individual, which includes energy, focus, stamina, overall performance, emotional health, and concentration. Learning contents. The concept of physical fitness. Physical fitness is the body's ability to perform daily tasks with notable strength and endurance. Corbin et al. 2023, Mirajkar 2021. Physical fitness helps manage stress, illness, fatigue, and dyspnea. Fetters et al. 2022. It also reduces sedentary lifestyle patterns. Studying physical fitness in college is vital for holistic development, offering benefits for physical health, such as reduced chronic disease risk, improved strength, mental well-being, such as stress relief, better mood, and academic performance, such as enhanced attention, memory, executive function. It also fosters crucial life skills like discipline, resilience, and self-efficacy, and provides opportunities for social connection and forming healthy lifelong habits. The concept of fitness. Fitness pertains to having a strong physical state, Sargent 2021. Fitness empowers individuals to achieve their capabilities and be inspired by a particular goal, Paul 2021. Fitness helps you to enjoy life more fully. Fitness is for improving overall health and daily function by making your body and mind more capable. Its purpose is to help you perform daily tasks with ease, resist fatigue, boost energy and mood, reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes, maintain independence as you age, and enhance cognitive function and mental well-being. A physically fit person. A physically fit person exhibits a substantial level of physical health, characterized by the ability to perform daily activities with vigor and focus, Corbin 2023, without experiencing undue fatigue, and having enough endurance for leisure activities and unexpected challenges, Stetson 2017. Being fit improves performance, elevates mood, and enhances concentration, Fetters, Asp, and Migala 2022. It's about keeping your whole body healthy. We need to be physically fit to prevent chronic diseases and some cancers, manage weight, improve mood and mental well-being, boost energy and sleep quality, and strengthen bones and muscles for better overall health and a longer, more active life. For college students navigating the pressures of academia and the cusp of adulthood, fitness can be a beacon of emotional balance and mental clarity. The benefits of fitness extends into the realm of academic achievement. According to Fetters, Asp, and Migala, being physically fit enhances memory, flexibility, and even creativity. In essence, by taking care of your body, you are also nurturing your brain's ability to learn, retain, and innovate in the pursuits of academic excellence. We must consider the benefits of physical fitness to achieve a longer, healthier, and happier life by reducing the risk of chronic diseases while also improving mental well-being through stress reduction, mood enhancement, and sleep. Regular physical activity strengthens bones, muscles, aids in weight management, boosts energy levels, and improves cognitive function, ultimately enhancing overall quality of life and enabling independence as we age. For college students, maintaining physical fitness is crucial, not only for long-term well-being but also for daily energy levels. James 2024 claims that fit body is more efficient at energy management, ensuring you have the vitality to tackle your studies, work, and social activities. One of the biggest challenges college students face is finding time for fitness. Make it a non-negotiable part of your schedule, just like a class or a study session. Whether it's a 30-minute workout between classes or a morning yoga routine, prioritizing fitness helps in managing time more effectively and ensures it's part of your daily routine. This is the end of lesson 2. Have a good day.